won't believe what this is. It looks like modern furniture, but it's actually a foldable clothes drying rack. Made with wood and minimalist white finish, it opens up like a blooming umbrella, giving you tons of space to hang clothes, towels, and even dresses. No more bulky racks that ruin your interior. This one folds flat when not in use, and stands beautifully in any corner of your home. If you live in a small space, this is the most elegant way to dry laundry.